Hi everyone. So this is the video number 6 in the series of Python. So in this video 6 I am going to discuss about the sets. So in this notebook I am going to discuss about the what is the sets, why we use it, and how to create the sets. Different property of the sets like unordered, unique, and mutability. After that, I am going to discuss about the adding or removing the elements. Different sets operation like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Some sets methods, and one more concept which is called the frozen sets. Next one is set comparison, and at the last I am going to give the comparison between the sets, list, and tuple and dictionary. And in the last, as usual, I am going to giving the one real world fintech example which covers all the concepts which I will discuss throughout the video. So now come to the first, what is the set? A set is unordered collection of the unique element. So you can think like that, a Venn diagram, each element appears only one times. Suppose if we define in this way, and you can see here that there is a duplication of the reliance as TCS. When execute, result will be like that. It only pick up the only unique element and discard all the duplicates. So what is the key property of the sets? Of course, item has a no fixed position. Each time you execute the sets, its order may be changed. No duplicate, each value appears only once, and we cannot use the indexing inside the sets. Mutability, yes, can add or remove the items. Fast lookup, yes, much faster than the list. And different maths operation like union, intersection, and difference. Now come to the section number 2, how to create the sets using the curly braces. As you can see here, opening the curly braces and closing the curly braces and put all the values inside these two curly braces. See the output of this one. Yes, this is the sets, and the type of this is class set. Next, it remove automatically duplicates. Suppose I have defined the nifty 2 times, or you can say 3 times. But whenever I execute and try to print this variable name, it removed all the duplicates from the sets. Now come to the next concept. Empty sets must use the set, not a curly braces. If we assign the curly braces, so this is not a set, this is a dictionary. If we really want to the empty sets, we have to use the set methods. As you can see the output here, the class of dictionary, class of this variable is dictionary, and the class of this class set is sets. You can create the sets from the list. Suppose list has many duplicates variables. So whenever we apply the set method on this list variable, it remove all the duplicates from the list. As you can see here, the output of list is this, and the output of set is having the unique values, and we can create the sets from the string also, like character is equal to sets reliance, and we print this value here, it will print it like that. Now next concept is no ordering. Output order may vary each run. Suppose this time it is showing like this, in next run some order may be changed. That's why we are saying that sets are unordered, and no indexing allowed. It as you can see here that we are trying to print the first element of the sets, it returns the object is not subscriptable. Now comes to the section number 3. Here I am going to give the example of how to add and how to remove the element from the sets. This is the sets. We can add a single item with the help of sets, add nifty, and if we see the output here, yes, it automatically add inside the dictionary. Ordering may be different. Add duplicates, whenever we try to add the duplicates, it returns none because sets only accept the unique value. So it really discard this change, and you can see the result. Yes, it remains the same, not adding the duplicate values. Now comes to the update method. Yes, add the multiple item at once, we have to use the update method from the list, tuple or sets, anyone. You can see here watch list dot update and giving the some value, and it returns the output here. So there are the 3 methods with the help of we can add or remove. Number 1, add method for the single item, update method for the multiple items, and others for the removing the items. Now come to the example of remove. Yes, with the help of remove item, it raises the key error if that item does not find inside the sets. Suppose Wipro is available or not. Yes, if it is available, it remove from the sets. If that element does not present inside the sets, it raises the error. Discard, it also remove the items and no error if it does not find inside the sets. So this is the difference between the remove and discard. See the output here. Now comes to the pop method. It also remove and returns the random item, right? As you already seen that in the list and tuple, if we use the pop, it remove the last item, but here it does not guarantee that which item has been removed from the sets. Clear, it remove all the items. Now here we are going to testing that sets are very super fast. Just take the example of sets. Yes, import the time it and time it dot time it, and we are providing the these arguments helps to count the time, how much time each variable will take. So you can see the output here that list lookup time is this one and sets lookup time is 0.00456 seconds. So it is much faster than the list. Now come to the section number 5, set operations. These are the operation union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. First one, union. It includes all the elements between A and B. And of course discards the duplicate. So in the set A there is 1, 2 and set B 2, 3. If we apply A plus B, it will return 1, 2, 3, everything. Intersection, which are common to both. Yes, 2 is common to both, so it will provide the common only. Difference is that in this element discard that element that was available inside the B and returns only A. Suppose here element is 1 or 2 and 2 is also presented in the B, so it will discard the 2 and it will return the only A. Now next one is symmetric difference. It means which are not available in the both. So 1 is not available, 3 is not available here, so 2 is available in the both, so discard the 2 and it will return the 1 and 3. So this is the concept behind the union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. So come here, union example. Here we show we already define the variable. This is the, or you can take it here so that it will be easy for you. Yes, you can see here Kaushal portfolio contains these elements and friends portfolio contains these elements. So here with the help of union, it provides the all the elements which are available in both the set. With the intersection, it will provide the common element. So here you can say that TCS is common and Infi is common. So it will return the output Infi and TCS. Next one is difference. Only stocks in Kaushal and not the friends. See the output. The same concept is applied. We use the difference method, and for the symmetric difference we use the symmetric difference, and output you can see here the same concept applied that I already explained above. Now next one is subset, superset and disjoint. Subset means whether one set is the part of that set, you can say that that is the subset, and superset means that set is superset of the small sets. See the example here. Suppose Nifty contains these elements. IT sector contains the TCS Info and Wipro. Now all the IT sector are in Nifty 50. So this is the subset of this. Hindware is not inside the this, so this is not subset of this, right? So for finding out the true or false whether this is subset of this, we use the is subset method. So if it is subset of Nifty 50, it returns a 2. If, and second way of finding out the subset is using this arrow, means this is subset of Nifty. so it also returns the true. Is superset, yes, is superset is also a method. Means Nifty 50 is large set, and this is the small set. So Nifty 50 is superset of IT sector, is true. And second way of writing is that by using the arrow key in this way. So for superset, there will be the open arrow, and for the subset, there will be the arrow for this side. Now, is this difference? Do A and B share no common element? Means both are totally different. Then it will returns the true. Otherwise, it will return the false. Like you can say here, crypto. Yes, crypto is not having the same any element between Nifty 50 and crypto. There is no common element. It returns the true. And Nifty 50 is designed IT sector. Yes, IT sectors containing some stock of Nifty 50, it returns the false here. So you can see the result there like this. Now next one is the update operation. In the set, all the update operation will take place in place. It means that if we do any update of original variable, then original variable and after applying the update, both are referring to same point. So you can say that any update on the sets definitely will take in place. See the example here. Suppose portfolio is this and new pick is this. Now portfolio, we took the copy of portfolio here and we update the new pick, and after update, if we try to print the update, as you can say that after update it will return this element, because I have already update the new stock, so it will contain the both elements which are unique to both. Yes. Now intersection also in the same way, intersection we apply, we took the copy of this variable and we apply the intersection on this variable. So this variable changes after in place and it will show the value after applying these methods. Like you can say the intersection both common is TCS, it will print the TCS. In the same manner, remove the items that are not in set. Difference update, pick up after applying the operation, we are trying to print out the portfolio copy. Yes, you can see here that operation will take place in place. So you can see here that all the update operation will take place in all the operation on the sets will take in place. Now comes to the concept of looping through the sets. We can use the for loop, or so with the help of for loop we can print the sets also, but with the help of for loop there is no guarantee in which order they will print out. Suppose you want to print in particular sorted order, there is a method sorted. If we apply the sorted method on the sets, then it will print the all the value in the sorted form and it will be the same on each run. and there is some methods like len, min, max, sum. Sum will provide the sum of all the element, min is minimum of the element of the sets, maximum is max of the element, and length provide the total number of element of the sets. Now set compression, it is same like a list compression. Syntax is starting from the curly braces, expression for the item in iterative and if condition. This is the expressions. So this is the same concept that I already discussed inside the list, but with the curly braces. So find out the square of element. You can see there is a x square for x in range of 1 to 11. It will print the sorted square. So it will provide the output in the sorted order. In the same way, if we print unique first character of each stock. So for s in stocks, it will give the s0 of each element, and after getting the first character of each element, it provides the unique set, not all the elements. Like in Tata Steel, you can see the first character is T, and Tata Motors also first character in the T. So in the output, only one T will be printed, as you can see here. Now it will provide the unique length of stock name. Yes, unique length. It means that suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will provide the unique element of each one. Suppose if any stocks have the same length of 3, so it will not give the 3, 3. It will give only 1, 3. So this is the property of the sets. Now filter with conditions. You can filter out the stocks with the some conditions also. So this is use of set comprehension. Now Trojan sets. So normal sets is mutable, but with the help of the Trojan sets method, we can make the set as immutable, like set but cannot be changed. So why we use this method? This is useful when you need a set as a dictionary key. Suppose Nifty 50 Trojan sets of this one. So Trojan sets, if we print out and type of that we print here, it is the Trojan sets, and it will provide the Trojan sets in this way. And here we are trying to add element inside the Trojan set, it will returns the error. But we can still do the operations like union intersections also. Here you can see, yes, we can provide the union of this and this. Yes, it will return the common. This is intersection and this is the union. It will provide the output in the same way. So with the help of fusion, we can apply the immutability to the sets, and after applying the immutability, you cannot modify sets, but you can do the different operations on Trojan sets. Trojan sets as a dictionary key. Regular sets cannot be used as a key. So whenever if you want to act any sets as a dictionary key, we have to use a Trojan sets. Simple sets will give the error, as you can see here. Here it is providing the output for this in item, it will returns the set of basket and return the this key. Now all the sets here we provide the different methods which we can use the sets like add, update, discard, remove, union, intersection, differences, system, symmetric difference, is subset, is upper set, is disjoint sets. So here it is the quick reference that I had already discussed above. Now this is a comparison table of the sets, lists and tuple and dictionary. Ordered, yes it is ordered, tuple is ordered, set is not ordered as I already told you, and dictionary is also ordered after 3.7. Mutability, yes, tuple cannot be mutable, sets is mutable and dictionary also mutable. Duplicates allowed, yes, tuple allowed, yes, but in the sets duplicate is not allowed. Dictionary key, no duplicate key will be allowed. Indexing allowed in the list, tuple, but in the sets indexing is allowed, and in dictionary by key we can do the indexing. First lookup, so in the term of complexity it will take the on, tuple will also get the on, but set will take only o1, and dictionary also will take the o1 time complexity. Math operation not allowed, only sets math operation is allowed. Dictionary also does not allow the many math operations. Use for ordered data, use for fixed data, use for unique data, and use for dictionary is for the key value pair. So this is a comparison table of different data types in the Python. Now I have made some mini project. Kindly go through the coding. If you could not understand, kindly mention in the comment section. I will definitely try to explain each line by line. Now this is a quick revision. You can say the set chat cheat sheets. Create method, in this way we can create the sets. First, only one important concept is that if we try to make the empty sets, it only can be created by the set methods. Otherwise, with the help of only curly braces, it is treated as a dictionary. These are the add, update method. Add single item, update multiple item we can add. Remove one element can be removed, and if that element does not appear inside the sets, it will raise the error, and in discard it does not raise the error. Pop a random item remove, clear, it clear the sets. Search tool for X in S or not, yes, if available true or not available, definitely leave the false, and time complexity is on. Sets operation, union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, and in place operation, update, intersection update, difference underscore update, and symmetric difference update. And subset and superset, this is the method, is subset, is superset, is disjoint. So second way of representation is S is subset of T, S is superset of T. and disjoint means no common element. And at the last, this is the set comparison and common tricks like unique element you want to find, set my list, and after that provide the list. So it removes the duplicate from the list also, and fast lookup x and y set. So this is all about the sets. Hope you like my content, and I am trying to my level best to explain each and every concept in detailed manner. In case you could not understand anything, kindly give the comment in the comment section. I will try to make the video for that topic again. So stay tuned. In the next video, I am going to discuss about the dictionaries, one of the most important concept of the Python. So stay tuned, and if you like my content, definitely kindly like the video, share the video, and give me the feedback for my content. Thank you so much.